Hello guys, my name is Sohail Rata. You are watching my channel The Refrigeration in YouTube. Today's video is very important for you. Today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Samsung digital inverter AC and its remote is not working properly or is damaged or somewhere you have kept the remote and the remote is not available and you have connect AC to your mobile, that too without using Wi-Fi. To connect a Samsung digital inverter AC to mobile, it is very important to have Redmi, Xiaomi and Mi phone to connect with this phone. You need an app. I will give you complete information about that app in this video. I have used this app. So friend, you are requested to watch full video without skipping. So friends, let's start the video. But before that, I want to tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that the notification of my latest video reaches you first. If you have any problem with your fridge, AC, washing machine, or you want to talk to me on that topic or need any solution, then you can comment me in the comment box. And if you use Instagram, Rather Refrigeration 777 is my Instagram ID, then you can talk to me by following me. I will be happy to help you. So friend, now we have come to the screen of our mobile. Now all we have to do is open the Play Store of our mobile. Search for Zaza remote and now download and install it. So friend, our app has been installed. Now we open it. All the condition of Zaza remote. The main page of Zaza remote is open. You are seeing the picture of AC in the screen. You have to touch it. After touching, you will see that there are many AC brands in it. And you have to find Samsung and touch it. Now you have to keep in mind one thing, just like you turn on the AC with remote control, in the same way you have to use from the front of the AC. You see red color press button in the screen. We have to press it, your AC makes beep sound, then it work. Otherwise, then next. I hope you have understood the information given by me. If you like my video, then please like my video.